We have a device for checking the absolute pressure which is offered by Testo, and the model number is Testo 511. Now this device has got an pressure range of 300 to 1200 hectopascal and an accuracy is plus or minus 3 hectopascal with a resolution of 0.1 hectopascal. Now this device can be also used to toggle between the engineering units between HPA, mbar, pascals, mm H2O, mmHg, psi and inches H2O. The measurement rate is 0.5 second. So I would like to show the difference between the pressure depending on the altitude. So this particular device is taken when in 0. Here I would like to show the absolute pressure when we are at the ground and when we are going in the altitude. So this is the actual pressure which is shown in the ground, that is approximately 770 to 780 HPA, and this is the pressure which is shown currently in the aircraft when it is having an altitude. It's around 900, 930, 940 and so on. This is a portable device and can be carried wherever the measurement is required on site, and it just takes two AAA size batteries with a battery life of 200 hours and a protection class of IP40. Thanks for watching.